Hi friends, in this video we are going to look at how to read a JSON data from a file and use it for further processing. So the ultimate goal is we are going to convert a JSON file into a CSV file. JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So this is how in JavaScript the objects are stored. If you have heard about JavaScript, it's the front-end language which is used in web development, or else it doesn't matter. So Java, as of now, you should know what JSON is. JSON is nothing but a data storage format. Okay, you might have heard about XML, right? So XML is nothing but a tags, starting tag and the end tag. You can have something else within that stuff, or else CSV file. CSV is nothing but comma separated files. The same way, JSON is also one storage format which is popularly used right now. Previously, XML was the most popular format. Now people are moving towards JSON, so that is the reason why you should learn JSON. And in Python, you need JSON. It's not a mandatory thing. So if you learn JSON, it will be more useful when you connect with the external systems. Let's assume if you are connecting with MongoDB. So MongoDB is another database like MySQL. So or Oracle, whatever it is. So MongoDB stores all the data in a JSON format rather than in a traditional table structure. Okay, so with the story, let's go directly jump into the code. Okay, JSON is nothing but like your plain old dictionary in Python. So here you have a key and a value. That's all. This is all about JSON. So JSON starts with an open curly brace, and then it can have key value pair. The key value pair could be anything, so whichever you want to have it, and the key value pair could be another JSON itself. For example, the key is fields and the data here is a JSON. So in that you can contain another element. Like that you can nest one after the other. You can go to multiple levels like your inception. Okay, and you can start processing the data. So this helps you to have a semi-structured data format. Like it's not perfectly structured data format because you can't, it's enforcing rules is little harder in this. So here you can have a loose structure. Like for example, if it is an object, it will have few elements and then you can iterate through it. Like that you can do it. Okay, so this is a JSON, very simple key value pair. It's same as your dictionary, nothing new in it. Okay, so generally this is stored in a file with the name JSON, like data.json. Let me open, see. So here this is a file. Okay, so here I have maps. So it's, as I said, it starts with the curly brace and ends with the curly brace, and then it can have any number of data. If you want to have more key value pairs, you can have it. So I have a key called maps, which has something blah blah blah, and the same way I have masks, so which have only one element ID, and this is a plain key value pair which doesn't have an JSON or another structure add on to it. Okay, like that you can have as per your convenience and need. Okay, so let's go to read JSON. See, this is a basic file. So for that you have to import a library called JSON. Okay, and also for printing I have there is a special print function called pprint. So all I'm going to do is like open, typical reading a normal text file, I'm just open with as a data file, and instead of open, what I'm going to do is like load data, json.load data. That's all I'm going to do it. If I run it, I'll be able to do it. That's all. Okay, see, as simple as that. Open the JSON file and load the data and print the data. Instead of printing, you can do it for your need. Okay, I'll show another example where instead of printing, I'm doing something better. So here, I can store the JSON data in a variable itself. Okay, for that example, you don't need to read it from a file always. So here I have JSON data. Okay, here also I have some fields, plain straightforward fields, key value pair. But whereas this is a key and the value itself is a JSON object. Like that I have done. So we'll convert this data into a CSV file, test.csv file. Okay, so it has finished. Let's open the CSV file. So where is the file is? Let me get the copy path. Yeah, I have copied the path and run and then control V. So I'm just going to the path. so that we can see the file. This is a test.csv file. What it does, like it read all the contents and converted into a CSV file. So first, as we do, we are just loading the data. Okay, json.load data. Here it's not from a file, so you don't need to open the file. I'm just loading the variable. Okay, and for CSV there is a package called CSV package. Okay, for JSON the package is JSON, and what I'm doing is I'm writing opening a CSV writer with a binary mode, and then all I do is like write first row. So this is a header. Okay, and in the further row I just iterate through the X and then print the fields. See, x.pk. So this is same as your dictionary, so you don't need to worry about anything. So instead of giving the index, all you need to give is key name. That's a way. Like for example, here the first key is pk. Okay, I have given the thing, and second is the model, so I have given the model. See, pk and model, and in the fields there is something called code name. We'll go and look at here. So in the fields we have something called code name, so it is a substructure, like array of array kind of it. And then I'm just writing all the contents finally into a row. That's it. Okay, thank you friends, bye bye.